you ever insist on an appointment a rainy day? Find the library first. Walk straight and you will see a small road. Don't hesitate to move forward. Briefly walking, you will see an area like Culture Creative Park. The bridge person suit will appear in front of your eyes. The survivor will be right with you. You can order it online and self-survive. The space is played with jazz, and the sound of conversations at every table.
We choose spaghetti and milk bread. It is heavily casted. The salty texture of tomatoes goes perfectly with the sweet cream. Sunny side up tastes good.
The bread surface tasty, crispy, but tasty and soft like a card inside. The omelette includes cheese, onion, and carrot.
The taste of the juice is different every day. Today is banana milk. It tastes flavorful.
Chocolate milk is a feeling of being in love. It's like not thinking about that. There will be someone. You don't hesitate to choose him or her.
Even if it's a rainy day.
Culture Creative Park, Bridge person stores, self-service, jazz, spaghetti, nut bread, tomatoes, sweet cream, sunny side up, crispy, omelette, cheese, onion, carrot, banana milk, flavorful, chocolate milk.
Baker Street.